one firing round. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh my god, my head is in the trees.
Hello everyone, today is going to be epic. This is episode 21 of the free bike challenge, and I'm once again on the 2-story tall bike, and I'm down at the local trails today seeing how this bike is going to perform in the deep end. So let's get into the action. I'm going to jump straight in by riding down this huge cliff. The brake actually doesn't really work, so probably not the best idea really, but let's get it done. Oh. Right, let's get up onto this steed then and send. Oh god. Oh, it's so steep. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Yeah! Oh my god! Like the brake actually doesn't work. So fast. I hit max speeds. I was like a jet. That was crazy. This thing's actually good though. It handles well so far. Let's go and see what other cool stuff we can hit on this beast. It goes down hills pretty easily. There's a little jump behind me which you're going to warm up on. So let's see if I can clear that little gap right there. Here we go. Dropping in. Oh! Oh my god, it works. Whoa! Oh yeah, the brakes don't work though. Oh. That was surprisingly good. We've got Hope as a filmer today, which is, you're doing pretty good. Let's try a slow motion on there just to get like full excitement face. Oh, and I'll do an X up at the same time. Well, as you can see, the bike is an X-up machine. I'm actually well impressed by that. We're now going to head down that way a bit and hit a little section of trail to see how it handles. Oh, I'm just laughing for no reason. Okay, let's go then. I've come over to a super fun section of trail. There's some tiny little tables in a row, a few berms. So let's hit it hard. Here we go. Into the line. Whoa, my god! Oh, oh my, that is so scary. Woo! Whoa! Oh god, no brakes, that's so fast. Oh, yeah, sick! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! Oh, oh, it's so low in it. Whoa! One firing round! Oh! Well, that bit of trail worked actually like a dream. This thing's super fast. The rigid forks and rigid rear end mean it travels well quick down the trails. Like, actually could be... Imagine that was a series. The tall bike... Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so I got really excited about the trails then. Behind me is a landing of a hip that you might have seen in the past. Here's a clip. Yo! And I'm gonna ride up it and see if I can fakie backwards and revert out. Really simple on a normal hardtail, but on the 2-story machine, it gets pretty crazy. Let's get this fakie of doom done then. Oh god, it's... Oh! Oh no! Oh! Wow, that's going to be way harder than I thought. Especially as the brake doesn't work. And Looney Tone, the guy that built the bike, has put the hugest gearing on here. Okay, another go. Oh! Oh! Almost! Wow! That's pretty good. Third time lucky. Oh! Oh! A stomp. Ah! Tall bike freestyle? That's well good. Oh! Man, that's so crazy. Kinda wanna go down that. Look, it's the stairway to heaven. Must be nice. Look, so big, so sendy. So, tool bike challenge! Ooh.
Changed your mind?
That's horrible. Still gonna send it. You ready down there? Oh, whoa, that was death. Not doing that again. Might celebrate with a bar. Yeah. Right, Hope. Let's go and do a full length ride down one of the trails here and see if you can keep up with me on the tool bike. Let's get it. You ready then, Hope?
Yeah.
With your GoPro on the top there. You better keep up because I need those shots. Right, here we go. Ready? Let's get it. Tool bike on the trails. Oh my God. So scary knowing the brakes don't really work. Oh, that's with the brake fully on. Wow, it's really good actually. No way. Oh God, the fast low section is going to be well scary. Oh no. Oh, that was death. Oh, I don't want to hit any jumps. Oh, I launched off there. Oh man, I'm going way too quick. Oh, whoa. Oh my God, my head is in the trees. Yeah. Oh, no way. That is ridiculous. This is the best bike ever. Whew. Yeah. Nice one. And you kept up. That worked so good down the trail. That was crazy. Thanks for following me, Hope. We've now come to the bigger table that's on that line, and I'm going to show you in slow motion what that thing's like in the air, 'cause it's ridiculous. So horrible. Oh. That's not really crazy enough. I'm going to bar spin it in slow motion. Oh, I'm scared. Oh God, so far. Oh my God, bar spin. Hopefully my head's in it. Hope reckons it isn't, but bar spin on this thing on trails. Bit YOLO for lockdown, but had to be done. I got excited. This thing's the best. I think you should show everyone your progression now on jumps, because we've seen, if you guys follow the channel, then you might have seen Hope hit the kicker ramp the other day. Well, this is a massive takeoff. So go up there, get a run up and hit it hard. Yeah. Oh, nice. Amazing. Good one, Hope. Real sick. Yeah, nice one. Yes, Hope, good work. Hope's on a new bike actually that I got. Look, it's the Full 7 1.0. They sent me the frame and it's tiny, so it's literally perfect for her. We got some sick Halo wheels, Chaos ones, and they got these awesome new stickers on there, looking dreamy. But it is the free bike challenge, so we're not going to think about that today. Nice one, Hope. Let's get back into it on this thing then. Well, what a day it has been on the tool bike. This thing's absolutely crazy and a perfect thing for lockdown, because even though it is looking pretty dangerous, like that was super easy everything we were doing, but it just felt insanely crazy because this thing is like 2 stories high. But on that bombshell, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That'd be awesome if you leave some comments, and it'd be sick if you subscribe. See you in the next one. Let's go.